set. Fuel pump is on, wingman's on, mixture's full rich. Cartridge on. Brainard Tower, Cherokee 3133 Quebec, holding short runway 2 and Alpha, ready for close traffic.
S36 Quebec, can you take immediate?
Affirmative.
Clear to immediate takeoff, make right traffic.
Clear for takeoff, immediate, right traffic, 33 Quebec. Center line, pitch for 79. Do a full stop here. Tower 33 Quebec's midfield full stop.
We're 3133 Quebec, runway 2, clear to land, wind calm.
Clear to land, runway 233 Quebec. Alright, we're at 1,000. Power to 1,500 abeam. We're abeam now, power 15. 1 notch of flaps.
Grand Tower, Archer 33121 is midfield bound for 2, touch go. Archer 33121, you're number 2, base to 5, traffic base to final. Number 2, runway 2, good touch and go. We have that traffic in sight, runway 2, number 2, touch and go, 121.
Full flaps at 500. We're at 70. Great, my phone's ringing.
Number 33 Quebec, exit Charlie.
33 Quebec, Charlie.
Brainard Tower, Cessna 5466 Quebec is midfield right downwind for runway 2, full stop.
Number 3133 Quebec, stay tower frequency, runway 2, taxi off, across runway 29.
Taxi runway 2 via Alpha cross 2933 Quebec.
5466 Quebec, you're number 2, you're flying Archer, traffic, base to turn final. Number
Do
2,
one more.
Runway 2, clear to land.
One more.
Number 2 for runway 2, clear land, and we've got the traffic in sight, 66.